What's up, peeps? Matt D here, been in black, helping you to create emotional and physical well-being. Here's a video on this rainy Monday as I record this, how to become a more grounded man, or how to be a more grounded man. If you're a woman watching this, listen to this because you can survive from this, and this does apply to you too also. As being grounded, being emotionally stable helps you in all areas of your life, because the areas of your life are affected by you. You are the center of your universe. You're the center of your life. Therefore, if you are screwed up and jacked up, and everything else can't be stable and clear and focused unless you are. You are the creator of your life, literally. So, for guys, let's talk about us. I want to shoot this video because from my own experience, can attest to this, that when the irony is this, is for men, we're taught from a young age, and they're not allowed to express your emotions, not allowed to feel sadness or anything else. The only times that you can cry is if someone dies, you're in war. And what's kind of more acceptable nowadays, just a little bit more, is that if you're going through heartbreak, sure, you can cry a little bit for like 10 seconds, and it's like, get over the bitch, let's go, man, go get drunk, go, go fuck someone else. Like, yeah, that really helps you out in the long run. It doesn't. And so, and if it's not that, if you can only express yourself, being sad for that one instance, anger is the only choice. This is why women, for watching this, why we show anger most time, because that's what we're taught from a young age. I believe that, like, for guys, boys, once you get to about 7 or so, suddenly it's like, fuck this, you are yanked from your full emotional development. And you're taught not to talk about your stuff. You solve it, think of it, don't say shit. And if you suffer, you suffer in silence, because, real man doesn't deal with their stuff. It's total bullshit. And if that route, if that way was so accurate and true and helpful, you wouldn't have men having higher suicide rates than women. You wouldn't have men, I believe, committing the vast majority of crimes in the United States. Women don't hear us speak because by default nature we get quiet, and we want to figure out process first and then say something. And unfortunately, whoever developed society was like, let's take advantage of that and make men feel like shit and tell them you can't say anything because you won't, because you process stuff naturally. So therefore, you say anything, you're fucking wrong. Like, it's ridiculous. So what I've come to the realization and expand my awareness is that, when you do not go with your emotions, you do not choose to explore that field and be in tune and accept them and just, feel what you're going to feel and express, you can write down whatever, you can't be the rock that women want. Women want a man to be the rock in the relationship. They want him to be able to remain calm. They'll test you, it's subconscious, but they want they want the show to see that you could be calm. And, the vast majority of the time, you're going to have your moments, you're going to cry and stuff, but that's fine. But they want to see that you can be calm and stable with them. You cannot be that rock. You cannot be the stable guy if you have a lot of unresolved shit within from your past, PTSD, holding the grudges, anger, all that. You can't be the rock. If you are, you'll be very flimsy, you get smacked around and shit, and if she gets upset, you'll get upset, and it won't work. You ever notice how much easier it is to console someone when you're calm, cool, collected, and you're centered, and you're focused, and you're good to go, and they're like, ah! You can say, hey, calm down, it's all good, I got it. Look at me, focus, look at me. You can do that. But if you're both, no one's gonna go anywhere. So the irony is, I'm blowing hair off my computer. So the irony is this. The irony is what I've done this whole year. Whatever insecurities I've had, anything that caused me to be scared, stressed out, anything that throws me off my game where I don't feel like I'm a confident guy anymore, I deal with the emotion, I breathe, feel it out, which is the video for that, called How to Remove Core Energy. There's a link for it at some point in this video here. And it'll be above. And the irony is that by going forward with those feelings and being in tune and feeling them out and just being with the emotion, I've become more grounded, become more stable, I've become more confident, and I've become more masculine. I've been able to go more forward into the masculine energy, and that's become more stable. I found myself, I'm like, oh shit, I really am a guy, I really am masculine. I really have that feeling of, oh, life, like I'm okay, it's good, like I can handle this. Whereas before, when you reject that shit, you don't feel it out, and you don't just go with it. You are insecure, and you do a lot of stuff to make up for that. What doesn't allow you to be the rock that she wants you to be. And if you want, simply the key is to become a more grounded man is to get in tune with your emotions and accept what you feel without judgment. If you feel hurt, feel angry, feel sad about something, that's what you're gonna feel. Feel it out, and you'll be fine. You won't be weak. You won't be judged. You'll actually become stronger and be able to handle yourself. So that way, when someone says something to you, try and piss you off, throw you off your game, you'll be like, whatever. And that's what it is. That's literally all you do. And simply how you do it, well, the video, my How to Record Energy, will tell you. But simply, if you become present with emotion, close your eyes, breathe deeply, long inhale through the nose, long exhale through the mouth, feel emotion, feel it out until it's gone. That's it. And you do it. If you do everything that you've been holding on to for so long, I'm telling you right now, you'll become grounded. And you attack the roots, the core issues of whatever you're going through, the feelings, you'll be fine. You'll be calm, you'll be cool, collected, you'll be more confident, you'll be happier. On top of it, you'll be healthier. And holy shit, unintended bonus, your sex life will get better too. And you're like, how is that possible? Well, because like you're more confident in your game and who you are, you relax, your sex life will improve. I mean, it may require a little bit more work, but I'm telling you, I've been doing this shit. I'm like, wow, like, what am I doing? I'm like, I didn't do anything different. I just dealt with the energy that's inside. I'm telling you. So, again, guys, just be in tune with who you are. Be in tune with your emotions. Like, it gets made fun of in movies when a guy starts taking these pills, like making him more into emotions, or the pills that make a guy have more estrogen. He starts crying and gets a little, and it's funny. Was also to discourage you to make you say if you tune in with your emotions and feel them out, and accept them, you become more feminine and you'll be all sensitive and shit. Total fucking bullshit. Totally not true at all. It's not. If you just go with how you feel and what you do, you'll be like, you'll feel better. You'll be able to handle stuff. Stuff won't make you angry anymore, and if something makes you feel sad, like, you want the same maturity, I'm telling you. That's becoming a grounded guy. You don't have to go out and fight anyone or prove yourself or do any of that shit. You'll just be. You'll just be a grounded man. You'll be your natural state. You're like, I'm cool, calm, collected. I can handle this shit. And if I feel like I can't, I know how to deal with it. I'm gonna handle my biz. Boom. And she will see that. She'll notice it. She'll go, oh shit. She may say something like, you seem different. You'll be like, really? Well, hey, that was cheesy as fuck. But anyways, you get my point. Just be who you are. Be cool. Feel your emotions, and you'll be good. If you want help on that, I'm a life coach. Hit me up. Let's schedule a consultation. We'll go over anything that you don't feel 100% on, be it mom issues or dad issues, insecurities with who you feel you are, women, doesn't matter. I can help you get rid of those feelings and teach you how to deal with things that come up in life. They'll happen when I'm not around. So hit me up. Appreciate you, love you. Please like this video, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Share. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so this way you get notified every time I do something new like this. Love you, appreciate you. Get in the black. Peace.